Hello, it's Josh Gaming, and welcome back to part 28 of my bedroom renovation series. Yeah, it's still carrying on, by the way. I don't even know when this series will end. I know that I mentioned it might be 30 parts, but then again, it might be going on longer than that, so I'm not going to mention any more, of when this will end, because it's still carrying on. So this one's a bit different, because I'm going to be showing you a couple of things. So let's get underway. So first off we've got is this, which I've got no idea what it is. I think someone gave it to me. I believe it's an LED light, but I'm not 100% sure. Next we've got my Creeper red banner, which I've had for quite a long time. And then over here we have got some new cushions. Yeah, so these are relatively new. So we've got my gamer one. We've got my creeper one. As you can see there. And we have got a Rubik's Cube one. Look at that. Rubik's Cube. So this is quite recent, by the way. I literally I saw these in the shop, and I was thinking, I definitely need these for my bedroom. And you know what? I thought I'd get them. So yeah, there we are. They're my new cushions. That I will be laying on. And that is actually not the last thing that I'm showing you, because I have recently done something down here as well. So what I've done is I've managed to get some of my consoles back out. And now at the moment I can't set them up yet, because as you probably know at the moment, I can't really do that at the moment. But I've managed to get them all back out. Well, not all of them. There is still some of them that I haven't got yet. Back out, but I've managed to get some of them. So I've got my PlayStation 5 there, my Xbox Series X, and then I know you can't really see them behind there. But we've got my down there. We've got my original Xbox One. My Xbox One X is down there. And is that it? Is that it? I can't really see anywhere, but Xbox. I think that might be it. Oh, and my Series S Black is down there as well. I don't want to get them out just because I'm going to be, maybe giving things away. But the reason why that I've put them down here is because at the moment I just wanted to put them somewhere, and obviously when it comes to setting them all back up, most of them will be down there anyway. So most of them will be down here when I set them all back up. But at the moment they're literally just there. I do have all the wires for them, which are down there somewhere. So I do have all them. But I just wanted to get them all out of the boxes, just because it's been a while that I've not had them out. So I thought, you know what, I might as well just keep them in here, because obviously I'm not really doing anything with them at the moment. But I'm looking forward to going back on them all again, because it's been a while, especially the PlayStation 5, because I have actually not been on that since I bought it, by the way. And I know you may be thinking, what the hell, Jack? Are you serious? You've not been on the PlayStation 5 since you bought it? And it's true, I haven't. The Xbox Series X, I did go on that for a little bit when I bought that, and then I just packed it away. And then for the other consoles, the Xbox One, of course, that was my original console that I used for YouTube. The Xbox Series S Black has not been used yet. And the Xbox One X is obviously a recent one that I've not had for a while. I've not used that one yet either. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to going back on them again. And of course, I will be using them all for YouTube as well to do live streaming, video gaming on, and stuff like that. So I will be using them all for them. That is the reason why that I bought all the game captures, because obviously I'm going to be using them all for these. So that was the main reason. But yeah, for now, most of my consoles are down here for the time being until I work out where they're all going to be. And apart from that, guys, that is pretty much it of this renovation. So yeah, so this one has been a bit of a different one. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you just a couple of more things that I managed to get out of the other room that they've all been in. Yeah, so I know there is more stuff still to get out, but I will be working on that. Don't you worry, because I'm aiming to get my bedroom done at the end of the summer. That is my target. And at the moment, I've still got quite a while yet. So yeah, so hopefully it'll be done by then. But anyway, yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this one. I don't even know when the next one is going to be, but make sure you stay tuned for it. And there is a playlist, by the way, with all these videos in. If you haven't, you want to go and look back and check them all out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.